guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with day 20 of our advent calendar. So day 20, what do you think we'll hear? Can you believe we're on our second last row? I can't believe it. It's almost done. Day 20. So can you see in there? Was I on camera? I don't think I was on camera. Okay, let's tilt him over. And what do we have? What is this? Oh, it's Santa Claus holding a microphone. We have singing Santa. So in the last one, on day 19, we had Santa on the guitar. And now we have singing Santa. That is so cute. You can see on the back here. All right, so I am just going to do some editing, and we will be working on this together in fast forward while you guys listen to music and I watch videos, and then we'll come back and talk about it. And with the magic of editing, I'll see you in a bit. So our singing Santa is all done, and he is super cute. But before we keep going, we need to peel off the backing, which is not easy, but there it is. Yay! And now he's super sparkly because the light comes through better, and you can see all the sparkle on the gems, and the back is so nice and clear. So this is going to be really cute on the tree, I think. What do you guys think? I really like this one. He's adorable. All right, guys. So that is it for our singing Santa. I hope you liked him. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your time, for spending time with me. I really enjoy it. I love reading all of your comments. All right, guys. I can't believe how fast the time is going. Almost Christmas. All right, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting and Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.